Welcome back to another episode of Making Eggs. So I cracked 2 eggs inside. Now you see all those spots that came out of the egg. It could be blood from the egg, but I'm going to eat it anyway. So you need a little salt. So you crack 2 eggs. You add some salt. How much salt am I adding? Just a pinch. And then you're going to slam into the yolks a couple of times so they open up. Wow, look at all that dirt in there. Gonna move away from there. Then you're gonna whip these suckers up like this. Try to sing a song to yourself as you do it. La 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 la, I'm making eggs. Alright, you're gonna whip these eggs. They're gonna whip a lot faster if you use 2 hands. I definitely don't like those speckles in there. What is that? It's freaking me out. Gross. So I'm just gonna make these eggs for show purposes. What is that? I'm gonna remove it. La, 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 la. Oops, I forgot to turn on the stove. Okay, put oil in the pan, heat up your pan, ideally to, that's my foot. Ideally to medium heat, and we're cooking the eggs. We're not cooking them yet. Okay, we're whipping them. Whip it. Okay. You want to wait till this is so funny. You want to wait till this stuff gets hot. How do you know it's hot? You can take your fork. Is it sizzling? That's your sign. Make sure to clean that up. Okay. You wanna do like a rotation, like a circle. Whoop, whoop, like you're doing this, but fast. Not like this, not back and forth, but you want to do like a big circle, like a Ferris wheel, like that. Get some air in there. Look at that. All right, now throw your fork, and now you splash it into the oil. Now take your trusty spatula, the one from yesterday. Don't worry, it's clean, we washed it. And you're gonna wiggle this thing around. You go in a circle. I'm cooking through the phone, not really looking at the pan. And it's best to hold the pan. Look at these scrambled eggs. Ah! Oh no! You know, one time I lost control of the pan and I set the handle on fire. Okay, flip it over if you can. There you go. Try to not put the handle in the fire. That's why you don't want to be cooking with one hand. Oh, you know, yesterday I realized I had a tool that could help me hold the phone. And guess what? Today I got an advertisement for something that will hold up my phone. And I was like, how is this even possible? Alright, there's your scrambled eggs. Ready to go. Ready to eat. You can literally toss them out of the pan right now. There, you see they're getting a little golden brown? Just flip them a little. There you go. Very easy. There you go. Scrambled eggs. Let me get a plate. Turn off the fire. Dump your eggs. There you go. Scrambled eggs. Signing out, the Egg Doctor. Bye.